Ada lived with her Aunt Grace and her two children, David and Esther, in a small house in Lagos. Aunt Grace treated Ada poorly, while her two cousins were spoiled and given everything they wanted. Ada did all the housework, the cooking, the cleaning, and running errands, while David and Esther played and attended school. They wore new clothes and ate well, while Ada had to bear hand-me-downs and eat leftovers. Despite the unfair treatment, Ada never complained. She dreamed of a better life, one where she could be loved and appreciated. One day, while walking through a crowded market, Ada stumbled upon a small wooden box lying on the ground. It was dusty and looked old, but something about it caught her attention. She picked it up, dusted it off, and opened it. Inside, she found a shiny mirror and a folded piece of paper. The note read, "This mirror holds the truth. Only the brave can find their destiny." Ada didn't understand what the note meant, but something inside her told her to hold on to it. To be continued. That night, Ada gazed into the mirror, hoping to find some clue about her future. To her surprise, the mirror didn't show her reflection. Instead, she saw a grand house with golden lights, and the woman was holding a baby, wearing a bracelet that looked just like the one she's wearing. Ada felt a strange connection to the baby in the vision, and the feeling stirred something deep inside her. Determined to uncover the meaning of the vision, she asked Aunt Grace about her parents. However, Aunt Grace became angry and told her to stop asking questions, but Ada was convinced the mirror was showing her something important. That night, the mirror revealed even more. She saw a grand entrance with lion statues next to a gate. The house was located in Ikoyi, a wealthy neighborhood in Lagos. Ada knew in her heart that the family in the mirror might be her real family. The next morning, she packed a small bag and set off on a journey to Ikoyi, determined to find the truth. She finally reached the gate she had seen in the mirror. Her heart raced as she knocked on the gate. To be continued. The gate was opened and Ada was led inside the house. There, she saw a man and a woman who froze the moment they saw the bracelet on her wrist. They approached Ada, the woman's eyes filling with tears. With trembling voices, they told her that she was their long-lost daughter who had been given to her mother's friend Grace as a baby for protection due to family conflict, and that they had searched tirelessly for Grace ever since. Ada was stunned. She had always thought she was an orphan, but now she learned that she was part of a wealthy family. She told them of how Aunt Grace had mistreated her. When Grace was brought to the house, she confessed that she had hidden Ada's true identity and mistreated her out of jealousy. That Ada's mother always got everything, while she has never been lucky. She then asked for forgiveness. Though Ada was hurt by the betrayal, she chose to forgive her aunt. Ada's life changed forever, and she used her new position to help others, offering them the kindness and support she never had. The end. The moral lesson is, no matter your circumstance or how others treat you, stay humble and patient. Your true worth will eventually be revealed. I hope you like this story. Ada lived with her Aunt Grace and her two children, David and Esther, in a small house in Lagos. Aunt Grace treated Ada poorly, while her two cousins were spoiled and given everything they wanted. Ada did all the house